Have you ever worried about a major illness or unexpected medical emergency and how much it might cost? The thought of huge hospital bills can be really scary, making you wonder if you could ever afford the care you need without facing financial ruin. It is a common concern for many, and thankfully, your health insurance has a built-in safeguard just for this. Well, there's a very important part of your health insurance plan designed specifically to protect you from those truly massive medical expenses. It is called the out-of-pocket maximum. This limit is the most money you will have to pay for covered healthcare services in a policy year. Once you reach this specific dollar amount, your insurance plan steps in and pays 100% of your covered medical costs for the rest of that year. It is like a financial safety switch. Understanding how the out-of-pocket maximum works is absolutely key to feeling secure about your health cover and managing your finances. It acts like a robust financial safety net, giving you a clear upper limit on your spending. All the money you pay for your deductible, copayments, and co-insurance for in-network, medically necessary services counts directly towards meeting this maximum. Let us break those down quickly. The deductible is the initial amount you pay for covered services before your insurance company begins to contribute to the costs. Copayments are fixed dollar amounts you pay for certain services, like a $25 copay for a doctor visit or a $40 copay for a prescription. Coinsurance is a percentage of the cost you are responsible for after your deductible has been met. For example, if your plan pays 80%, you pay 20% coinsurance. These three components add up throughout the year. It is crucial to remember that certain expenses typically do not count towards your out-of-pocket maximum. These include your monthly insurance premiums, which are the regular payments you make to keep your coverage active. Also, charges for services not covered by your specific health plan, or costs for using out-of-network providers if your plan does not cover them, will not reduce your maximum. The entire vital purpose of this maximum is to ensure that no matter how sick you get, or how extensive and expensive your medical care needs become, your personal financial responsibility for covered services has a definitive, non-negotiable ceiling for that policy year. This feature provides an immense amount of peace of mind and financial predictability. Finding your specific out-of-pocket maximum is usually a straightforward process. You can easily check your physical insurance card, carefully review your detailed plan documents that your insurer provides, or simply call the member services number printed on the back of your card. Most insurance companies also have online portals where this information is readily available. Knowing this crucial number empowers you to budget effectively and plan ahead for potential medical costs, which is especially helpful if you anticipate needing significant care or managing a chronic condition in a given year. For instance, if you know your maximum is, say, $5,000, you can then confidently seek any necessary treatment, follow-up appointments, or specialized therapies without the paralyzing fear of endless, unpredictable bills. Here is an important insider tip that can make a big difference in your financial planning. Out-of-pocket maximums reset at the beginning of every new policy year, which most commonly occurs on January 1. This means that if you meet your maximum in, for example, October of this year, you will pay nothing for any further covered services for the rest of that current year. However, come January 1st of the next year, your financial responsibility starts fresh again from zero. Another key detail relates to family plans. For families, some plans cleverly structure it so there are individual out-of-pocket maximums for each family member covered, and then also an overall family out-of-pocket maximum. While the family maximum is typically higher, this structure ensures that the entire family's collective medical costs are still capped, preventing any single family member from incurring infinite charges, and also limiting the overall household expenditure. Ultimately, the out-of-pocket maximum stands as your most steadfast financial guardian in the often complex and expensive world of healthcare. It skillfully transforms the potentially unpredictable cost of illness or injury into a manageable, finite expense, providing a clear and reassuring financial boundary for you and your family. This vital protection allows you to truly focus on your recovery, your health, and your overall well-being, rather than being burdened or overwhelmed by the constant anxiety of potentially limitless medical debt. It offers a fundamental layer of security, predictability, and immense peace of mind in your personal health journey.